Alright, so welcome to the channel, everyone. I wanted to make my first video kind of a POV night drive to kind of showcase my current exhaust setup. I'm actually going to be changing this setup in about maybe 2 to 3 days. Right now, I'm running an eBay Catback. I shit you not. It's literally a $200 eBay Catback. Now, the only problem with this Catback is I don't think they even make this anymore. It's called the SS Catback. That's what it was when I did buy it. I have this set up for probably a year now. It sounds pretty good. And I'm also running a CNT unequal header. And I do have the resonators deleted. And I am running a Pops and Bangs tune with the OFT tablet. And I'm on stage 2 because of that open flash tablet and, you know, because I have an unequal header. So with all that being said, let's go ahead, start it up, and kind of do like a POV drive to kind of showcase exactly what the car sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good. Also, the streets are kind of dead now because of COVID. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a POV drive. Now, before anybody says, no, I did not just start up my car on a cold start. I actually just kind of parked for like a second just to kind of, you know, do a little intro. We'll get the pops and bangs for you guys as well. I think it sounds pretty good though. For literally a $200 eBay like Catback, I mean, it's pretty solid. I'm getting the Tomei Extreme Type 80R Catback in the next couple of days, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a video like that as well. And I will also do a video kind of showing you guys what this kind of Catback looks like. I just wanted my first video to kind of be a POV night drive because who doesn't like doing night drives? Gonna get on the highway because I don't have my iPass. Now, if you guys are asking, is there a drone? Yes, there is drone. You guys can definitely hear it now, but at the same time, like, do I really care? No. I think the kind of big difference between like myself and other people who like loud exhaust is like, you get like a Catback or like any loud exhaust unequal headers, I mean, there's gonna be drone. It's just one of those things. It's like, if you don't want drone, I mean, stick with the, you know, the factory exhaust. Little pops and bangs. If the coronavirus outbreak was not going on, I would have got ripped. Holy shit. The cop I was going like 20 over the speed limit. I was like, oh shit, dude, there's no way. First time recording, I'm gonna get ripped up. But, you know, since I live in Illinois, Chicago, I mean, they ain't stopping nobody. If it's non-serious, they ain't stopping nobody. knock on wood or pretty loud, but I mean, it is like the open flash tablet tune, so it's not that insane. They're not pulling over nobody. Like, I'm literally ripping through cops going 85 like in 40s. They're pulling over nobody. No, they don't want to catch Corona. Like, I think I'm gonna head back home though, low key. I don't want to risk my luck anymore. That's like twice, like, that I've like full throttled in front of cops or like around cops, downshifted by cops, pops and bangs going off by cops. I mean, I think I'm gonna call it low key. I mean, that's a pretty interesting first video, like full throttle by cops. They ain't even doing nothing. I'm pretty much gonna wrap the video up now. If you guys did enjoy it, that was kind of, you know, an interesting video. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more content, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.